Welcome back to the channel everyone. This is day 46 practicing and speaking English to be more fluent and confident. And if you are a real learner who is struggling while you are learning how to be more fluent and confident whenever you are speaking English. Yesterday in my video I shared one trick that I am using nowadays was that whenever you are listening to a podcast, make sure that you are going to pause the video and you are making the sentences that you have heard in your own ways, and also you are copying the same that is being provided to you in that video. Believe me, this one simple step will enhance your speaking and overall catching capacity of the words whenever the words are new to you and you are facing a lot of struggle while you are maintaining your fluency for that particular sentence or the scenario in which you are trying to narrate your overall ideas. Today when I was learning or listening the podcast with English Leap podcast, the channel I regularly do watch video from is that English Leap podcast. You all are aware about that, and if you don't know about that channel, then this will be the video from where you will get an idea to know about that channel. I have just shared the name of channel with you. What you have to do, you have to go to the channel. When you will listen one podcast, then there came every day a thumbnail in front of you, and you will be able to you what you have to do, you have to just clicked on that and all that. After that, what will happen, you all are aware of that. So when today I was listening the podcast, there was a word spontaneous. When I was listening that podcast, I came across a word that was spontaneous. Spontaneous means something that comes to you naturally without having any plan. The topic that was describing in that video was related to tour, family tour and solo tour. In the solo tour, the word they have used was spontaneous, and when I listened it for the first time, it was very new to me. So what I did, I just made so many sentences using spontaneous. Like I also thought that when I will create the video for today at day 46, I will use spontaneous in my video. Like whenever I am creating my practiced videos or the videos that I am going to deliver in front of you, everyone who is watching me on the YouTube. So the scenario or the idea that I am going to describe, or the words or vocabulary or the sentences that I am using in my speaking are spontaneous to me. Means I am not prepared for them. Like I have made any script, then I have memorized them, and then I am delivering it in front of you. They all are coming just by my mind. They all are natural. Whatever I have to say or whatever I have done in the whole day, and what a major step and what big steps I have taken in my speaking and learning journey, I am just sharing it through with spontaneous in a spontaneous manner. uh, so this was the use of spontaneous word that I learned today, and there were so many more words that I have learned. Like in my shorts video, I have figured out all those words, came across, focused on, and yes, there is one word that I am missing. Means when we are going to something very deeply, when we are thinking about something very deeply, I know when I will look at that for one time, for a single time, I will able to remind that word or recall that word. And yes, when I was listening to the podcast, I came across a sentence that was being narrated. In that sentence was, when you are traveling solo, then there may be a chances you are not seeing on everything. Seeing, I thought seeing is correct or not. So I made a pressure on that word and I paused the video. Then I went on ChatGPT and just pasted that sentence on the ChatGPT and asked, is it possible to use seeing? Because we can use looking, watching. There are so many words in the real world. Then why we are using seeing? Means whenever we are traveling, we are seeing everything around us. We can say that we are looking at everything or we are watching everything, But I know the one day I have created a video related to looking and watching, in which I was saying that we use watch when we are expecting means having deep eyes on that. When we are expecting, sorry, I am saying expecting, but it's not expecting, I want to say expecting, spectacles, expecting on any words. So means with full concentration, then we use watch. And if we are just saying okay, we have to see it from the upper side say, then we use look. And but at that time I made a new word, seeing. So I just want to share you that what are the benefits of listening podcast, or listening or reading the sentences from other places. Like one of my friend, there was one friend who helped me a lot, who made me realize that I have the confidence to create a video and watch my videos and upload them on YouTube. She said, you can do this, and you must do this, because in this manner you will get confidence, because you are the person who works when there come what to say, means uh, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल दैट, मीन्स तुम तभी शुरू करते हो जब तुम्हारे चारों तरफ ऐसा सिनारियो आता है कि जब तुमको लगता है कि हाँ बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं इसलिए मुझे करना चाहिए. You are talented, but you do not start by yourself. You are required anyone to poke you out. Means you are required someone who will let you know that okay, you have this ability, like Hanumanji. I was the bhakta of Hanumanji. I am the bhakta of Hanumanji, and I know the one story that when he was going in search of Sita ji, then there came the Jamwant, who made him realize that you are full of abilities, but you have lost your hopes and your mind from your inner soul. That's why you are not getting connected to your abilities. So in that manner I also started from that day, and I thought I must share this in video. So sometimes you should make people friends, because they have the eyes to look at your abilities when you are feeling that you are not aware of that, and you do not have the capability to do that, because the surroundings that we are living are not capable enough to make ourselves to achieve that target in our life for which we have the potential. And I have said that I am from a village background, so there are no such circumstances in which you will be aware of your skills and your potential. As we people are from village, so many times there comes a scenario where we feel like demotivated by our self own. There is no one to tell us, there is no one is required to make us demean, to think that okay, we are not at that top stage. We assume by ourselves, because the knowledge, the surrounding, the teachers, the mentors, everyone is, the level is same, they are doing nothing extra, no government jobs, no anything they have achieved extraordinary that makes sense. Okay, he has done something great in his life by which we can get motivation. Like nowadays we saw Zakir Khan, he went for anchoring on the Bollywood stage. There came a person who tries to demotivate him, but he believes in himself. So he replied that you saw a poor person and you started making fun of him, and you cannot bear that the people coming from background, very poor background, is capable enough to be stand out with you. Means the level is same. There were no anyone to you who can match this level, so that you have to choose a person who is really coming from very weak background, and he has made himself by his own mind and his own capabilities, that he was known for him. Means he was known to it. That's why he is able to stood up here. So that video was very amazing for me, and I got a great motivation from that video of Zakir Khan, and I became a real genuine fan of him. Means I am not that type of fan who is looking for having a photo, means I became the fan of his moral value that he provided in that video. Means all you have to believe in yourself. I usually, most of the time I used to say that what you have to do, you have to believe in yourself. And nowadays I am thinking that I must level up my knowledge, my speaking English, because this same flow I am using for last 20 to 25 days. Yeah, I believe so. And this all is happening. I am not focusing more on my English just because I have jam packed routine, and there is a chance, there is a means, how to say, means that is the high time when I have to work for something that I am working. English is I just want to say that the level of English I have learned is enough for me, for which I am preparing. So nowadays I have kept a pause on my learning, but I try to speak out loud so that it can be a consistency to me, that I can show myself that okay, I have to do something very great in English, and I have not to give up here. That's why I used to create videos every day, and I have promised by myself that I will create videos more than 10 minutes. So that's all for this video. We'll meet again in a new video for tomorrow. For that time, have a great day and have a great learning. Bye bye everyone.